What's going on, everybody? So back in the video, and today's video I want to show you guys how to get my wallpaper as well as this widget I currently have on. I've been getting a lot of comments on my past videos. What's your wallpaper? How do you get that little fluid widget when you tap on your screen? And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. So to get this wallpaper, I'm going to be posting that on my Twitter page, so you guys can just go down below the description, just click on the link, and this is the wallpaper that you guys will get. So obviously you guys will just save this to your device, and then obviously just go into settings and then wallpapers, and then apply that to your home screen. So for the second part where you actually see those little explosions, you have to obviously be jailbroken. So open up your City application, and then you guys want to head to the source tab, tap on edit, and then add, and then you want to add the sources, which I'm linked down below in the description. There's gonna be 2 sources. Add both of those sources, just copy and paste them into here, and then tap on add source. So once you guys have done that, you want to go to the search tab, and the first thing you guys want to search up is XenHTML. So this one should be from the Pax repo, and it does support iOS 14. So just tap on modify and then install that to your device. So the second thing you want to download is actually the widget. So the one you want to search up is fluid widget, just like this right here. So this is like the smoke effect. So just tap on modify and then install that. So once you have both of those packages installed, you want to go to your settings application, and then you want to look for your tweak section. So you may have to scroll down, but mine's up at the top of the page in the tweaks, and then we want to scroll down to where it says XenHTML, and then you're gonna have the option to go to your lock screen or home screen, but we want to add this widget to our home screen, and then you want to toggle it on right here in the upper right corner, and then tap on the background widgets, and you guys will see right now I have the fluid. So if I disable this or delete it, we don't have any of those smoke explosions anymore. But if we go back here, add widget, you guys will look for this one right here. So there's 2 different types of one. If you want the transparency one, I just have the original one right here, just like that, and then tap on the check mark. We back out, and you guys will see it looks exactly like that. So I did believe I put the wrong one on right here. There you guys have it. If we go back to our home screen, we got the smoke effect once again. So that's how you guys get my wallpaper. We're getting a ton of questions, like I said, over the past couple of videos. So I want to make a whole new tutorial for you guys. So if you did enjoy this video, drop a like on it, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.